The UK government says it's time to restore control over immigration, starting with a complete overhaul of the skilled worker visa. But this isn't just a minor policy tweak. They're planning to raise the bar from A-level jobs to degree-level roles, quietly cutting off access to hundreds of positions that once welcomed overseas applicants. Though the door opened to thousands of lower-skilled foreign workers just a few years ago. Now it seems the UK government wants to slam it shut. A major visa overhaul could quietly erase hundreds of jobs from the skilled worker route, without most people even realising it's already begun. If you're a UK employer who sponsors overseas talent, or a migrant hoping to qualify under the skilled worker route, these changes could impact you directly. In the white paper, the UK government seems intent on tightening legal migration. At its core is a fundamental shift, a higher skill threshold, stricter salary rules, and the phasing out of roles that were once considered eligible. But why now? According to the Home Office, the current system had become too generous, allowing thousands of sub-degree, level roles to qualify for sponsorship. Ministers argue that this led to over-reliance on migration and underinvestment in domestic workers. So what does this really mean for applicants and employers in 2025? And which roles are at risk of disappearing from the eligibility list altogether? Let's break it down. The heart of the reform lies in reversing what the government sees as an unsustainable expansion of the skilled worker route over recent years. In 2020, when the post-Brexit points-based immigration system was introduced, the skill requirement for sponsored roles was lowered to RQF Level 3, roughly equivalent to A-level qualifications. This move was designed to help the UK recover from the pandemic and fill gaps in critical sectors like health and care, hospitality, logistics, food production, and retail. But now, the government says that flexibility went too far. Under the new proposals outlined in the White Paper Restoring Control over the immigration system, the minimum skill level for eligible jobs will be raised to RQF Level 6, meaning only roles that require degree-level qualifications will qualify. The impact of this proposed change outlined in the White Paper is significant. Home Office analysis suggests that around 180 roles, currently eligible under the RQF Level 3 to 5 range, will become ineligible. This includes a wide swathe of mid-level and supervisory roles, such as senior care workers, restaurant and catering managers, retail supervisors, warehouse team leaders, construction trades at the technician level. Effectively, entire job categories that were previously open to sponsorship could be shut out from the skilled worker route going forward. To go hand in hand with the higher skill requirement, the government has also raised the minimum salary threshold. From April 2024, most applicants must now earn at least £38,700 per year to qualify, up from the previous £26,200. In some cases, the going rate for a particular occupation might require even more. And there's more. The government also plans to scrap the immigration salary list, formerly known as the shortage occupation list. That list allowed for lower salary thresholds in jobs facing nationwide shortages. Going forward, the Migration Advisory Committee, MAC, will be responsible for reviewing the new salary framework and may recommend limited exemptions for certain sectors, such as newly qualified workers or public service roles, but these will be strictly monitored. If you're already in the UK on a skilled worker visa and your job falls below the new RQF Level 6 threshold, don't panic just yet. The changes will apply prospectively. This means you can continue to extend your visa, change employers, or take additional work as long as your role remains on the current list. However, new applicants, whether applying from overseas or switching routes, will have to meet the new, stricter rules. This effectively creates a two-tier system, offering some transitional protections to existing visa holders, while tightening entry for newcomers. Over time, roles that no longer qualify under the skilled worker route may appear on the Temporary Shortage List, TSL, but only on a conditional, short-term basis. These listings would require a coordinated workforce strategy and explicit MAC approval. The government says these changes are part of a bigger plan to boost domestic training, reduce dependency on migration for mid-level roles, and encourage UK employers to invest more in local talent. For businesses, this means preparing for a more restrictive sponsorship landscape. For potential migrants, the message is clear. The UK skilled worker route is narrowing, and only high-skilled, high-paid roles are likely to remain viable. These reforms are not just about immigration numbers. They represent a fundamental reshaping of the UK's skilled worker route, one that prioritises long-term investment in the British workforce over short-term recruitment fixes. If you're an employer who relies on overseas talent, now is the time to reassess your workforce strategy. And if you're a migrant hoping to work in the UK, understanding these changes will be crucial for your future. If you're an employer or a migrant that utilises the skilled worker visa in the UK, now is the time to get clarity. These changes, if passed, could impact your timeline, eligibility, and the steps you'll need to take. So seeking early legal advice is more important than ever. We are helping clients navigate this uncertain landscape with expert legal guidance. At Compass Immigration Law Limited, we offer 4 core services to make your UK skilled worker visa application easier. General advice. We provide expert guidance on requirements and evidence. Form filling, to assist with completing the application form. Application checking. We'll review the application you have prepared prior to submitting. Full application package, where we provide all of the above and more. Our experienced immigration team is based in Bolton, but we help clients across the UK and internationally. If you require professional assistance, don't take chances. Let us guide you through every step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on the latest UK immigration advice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of UK immigration law. Use the details on screen to contact us today to get more information. We're here to help. If you've got a few minutes, check out the suggested video on screen now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.